Let's talk about Upwork payment schedule. When is the exact date you get paid? Why is your Upwork money stuck and when can you actually withdraw it? Let me explain it in a super simple way. When you earn money in Upwork, it doesn't go straight to your bank, it goes through 4 steps. First is work in progress. This is what you're working on this week, and that starts every Monday. Second is in review. Your client checks your work and you can still fix things. And third is pending. This is a short waiting time. Usually they check it every Saturday. So if you see here in my chart, I have 2 pending weeks and 4 available. By Wednesday, you can finally withdraw your money, and that's when you get paid. For me, I don't withdraw right away. I let my money grow first because there's a $0.99 fee every time you withdraw. Also, the amount you receive depends on the exchange rate at that time. And if you use bank transfer, the money usually comes on the same day. To give you a better idea, let me show you the calendar for visual view with my work diary. So you see I have 2 here pending and you can see the dates. So this is the one that was added. That's like today is on the 29th, so this is like 2 weeks ago. And this is the pending. So to make the long story short, this 2 weeks, this is what I'm going to receive this every Wednesday. So that's today, actually the cutoff is today. So this is still on review. So since it's Wednesday 9 a.m., my 2 weeks ago pending payment has already approved and reflected. So now it's over 100 USD, so I can process and do the manual withdrawal. So if any direct bank, it indicates 5 days, but that's actually once you process this, it's actually same day process. It just takes a few hours, then it will reflect in your bank. And regardless of any bank, the exchange rate is 58. So this is what I was saying, the withdrawal fee, which is 0.99 USD. And if you opt for PayPal, the withdrawal fee is $2. So today I'll opt for BPI. Let's do this transaction. And then you just input your password. And there you go. This indicates May 4, but it will actually reflect within the day. So that will be all. If this video helped you understand Upwork payments, please hit the like button and follow for more simple freelancing tips. Now you know when you get paid and go earn for more. Thank you. Bye bye.